Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Shimanandamai ki Jai. Jai Ma. Everyone Jai Ma. Okay. I hope you're making something or the other from the SatvikFood channel. It's basically Swami Nityanand Giri channel, and you have to click on that, to find out what you want to make. So today I am making kala chana with gravy. So I have made kala chana previously also in the past, one of the videos with mint and all that. This is a different way of doing it, and it's simple. So मैंने क्या किया, रात को I soaked the kala chana in water, and in the morning you take out the water, and now add little more water, fresh water, and then we put it in the pressure cooker. The gas is on, and put little water in your cooker, put your kala chana in it, and close the lid. You have to let it go for 3 whistles. It's tight. Good. And then, where's the whistle?
Yes.
Okay. And put the flame on high. Now in the meantime, we'll make the masala paste. Masala paste means what? All the sukha, the dry masalas, I put in water and mix everything so that it doesn't burn on the gas. If you put masala directly on the gas, the masalas burn very fast, So I do it this way. You mix everything in water and then you put it on the flame. So I'll show you. Now you take a mixing bowl and all the masalas are kept it ready here. Now what do? You take little water. That's it. And then you start putting all the masalas. One teaspoon. I'm not talking about the measurements because it's all in the description box. So just check it out there. And then haldi, dhaniya powder, then this is Kashmiri mirchi for color. So that it is not spicy. Then you take the spicy mirchi as much as you want. Not much. Then you add little bit of cumin powder, jeera powder. Like half a teaspoon. Then you take black pepper. Then you put in a little bit of garam masala. Then you put in lots of amchur. Khatta, so it's little sour and it tastes good. Put in lots of crushed kasuri methi. Kala namak, black salt. Salt I'll put later. As much as you need, you can put it on top. And then you mix everything and keep this paste ready. This masala paste. So once the chana is boiled, then we'll go on the flame to cook this. See? Let me add the salt here only. I'll add it. Where's the salt? Salt. And mix. Smells very good. Then we go on the flame. That's it. Now put your pan, your wok on the gas. If the whistles blow, I'll stop because you won't hear me talking then. Add oil. Tejpatta. 2 black cardamoms. Hing. Stir. Once it heats, then we'll add the masala paste that we made. This masala paste. See? Add. And mix it nicely. Go on sautéing till the masala, all the dry masalas, they are cooked. Till then you have to go on stirring. And I'll come back. This gravy is done. The oil has separated. Now I will put a little bit of cardamom powder in this. Elaichi powder. That's it. And stir. And the cooker is also ready. So I will open it and show you. This is on slow flame. This cooker is ready. The kala chana. Crush it a little bit, some of it, not all. With the water, we have to add it in the masala paste that we have just done. It's hot. Add it over here. Then we crush it a little bit. See, chana is boiling now. Under thoda, you mash a little bit and keep a little bit whole so that the gravy thickens, as you go on boiling. Then add slit green chillies, as many as you need. And lots of adrak, ginger, julienne. Add all that. And on top, coriander leaves, hara dhaniya, chopped. And the more you boil, the better it will taste. It's yummy. You can have it with roti, paratha, rice, whatever you want. And it's a very simple, easy method of doing kala chana with gravy. And it's really yummy, so you should try it with whatever you want. Measurements are all there in the description, so check it out. And that's that. Let me know, comment, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you, Gemma. ओम सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहे तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्री शिवानंदमयी की जय। जय माँ। आज का चना बहुत
बढ़िया।